ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So a nice drawdown day, puts over calls for most of the day until we got that end of day ramp. As you can see there, calls started ripping up. We did finish with a small red DEX during that as well. Jumping into our customer sentiment and our whale targets, customers still don't know what they're doing. They're actually completely neutral here now for the first time ever. So if we get our first drawdown day and they're not in a short to pop mode, almost an inverse of them here on it from a while ago to now. So whale target 675, 672, and then 660. That 650 dropped off of the board. So still a decent sized range today. We are sitting at 672.34 in the overnight session. So let's check the rest of our data and go from there. As you can see, dark pools are finally starting to fully flush out. Good. We can start updating those on that chart that I post every morning as well and getting those in. So that is fantastic. So keep an eye here. We're still very far away from the largest ag. We're going to give it a few more days, see if it walks up any, but quite sizable down there, all the way down at 643. No whale targets quite down there quite yet, so we'll just keep an eye and see how they go as the days proceed from here on out. Now, 672.44 is our overnight price, so we're right in this little range right here on the ag. Nice little goalpost range we have here, 670 to 674. And then 670 or 669. This is where we kept bouncing today before we traveled back up. So right there in that range, we break 674. We have a little bit of room up, 677, 679. We lose 669 with force. We get on down to this positive gamma cluster that takes us to 663. Largest pull on the board right now is 659. Pretty far away from price, so we'd need quite a bit of bearish flow that stays consistent for an entire session to get us all the way down to there. Let's jump into tomorrow, Friday. Happy Friday, 10/10, and see what that shows us. Now, Friday gives us kind of an entertaining picture here if we decide to follow the daily. 667 is the biggest pull, so a little bit below where we are right now and where we couldn't get today. Positive gamma cluster at 674, 675, and then this nice positive right here at 663. So if we follow the daily tomorrow instead of the ag, we have potential for quite a bit of volatility, all the way from 674, 675 down to 663. So let's see if we can actually get a nice volatile Friday and get some big moves tomorrow. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.